I said this is the Masonic Temple in Placerville, California.
The name for this building, but I don't remember what it's called.
This place reminds me of like a Chinatown building. Oh wow! Flushy liney.
No.
3. Motor.
I don't remember if it's out here. Is it a GAL called anymore?
Yeah.
Okay, and it's on 2 that there's a Flushline called on.
Let's
This is
do
a
another.
coast, by the way.
Okay, cool. Let's do another full rider then. We'll go to 208 now. Generally looking capacity plate. 419 Main Street. All red, solid red alarm button. This COP has seen better days. 1 braille. Well, it's actually not even braille, it's just a symbol glued on there. Nice.
How's the same pump as the landmark building?
Let's see if it's relay control. Push 3, door close? Yeah.
Bumpers too.
Yeah, I just demonstrated this. 2. How do you know this is a coast?
You'll see.
I don't see flashlights too often. Oh, look at that radiator. Oh, there you go. Coast. Let me go look at this real quick. Wow. I doubt this works anymore. Yeah, it doesn't work anymore.
Hold on.
Yeah, I ended at 1.
Okay, I'll come back up and get it.
Yeah, we will. Very dated cab. You know, La Terra's an old sack.
Uh-huh.
That's what this cab
Similar
reminds
cab,
me.
yeah.
Yeah. Same floor too. Shut up.